Here we will show you how to transfer videos from your iPhone to a USB stick with or without a computer. Part 1. How to transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick with computer. This part includes 6 quick methods that transfer movies from an iPhone to a USB stick on a Windows PC or Mac. Try these methods one by one and get the best way that suits your situation. Way 1. How to save videos from iPhone to USB via Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Step 1. Install and run the software on your computer. Plug your iPhone into the computer via a USB cable and insert the USB stick into your computer's USB port. Step 2. Typically, the software will automatically recognize your connected device, and a pop-up window will appear on your computer. Select the Trust option on your device, then click Continue to proceed. Once detected, you will see the home interface below. Step 3. Choose Videos on the left panel. Preview all the video information, and tick the desired videos to transfer. Next, hit the Export button on the top and select the USB stick as the storage location to save the videos. Way 2. How to transfer videos from iPhone to flash drive using Windows or Mac Photos app. On Mac, Step 1. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your Mac. Step 2. Launch the Photos app on your Mac. It should automatically detect your iPhone. Step 3. Click your iPhone on the left window, and you will see all photos and videos on your iPhone. Step 4. Choose the videos you want to import and tap the Import X Selected button on the top. Step 5. Connect your USB stick to the Mac and open it from Finder. Step 6. Find the imported videos on your Mac and drag and drop them onto the USB stick. On Windows, Step 1. Connect your iPhone and USB stick to your PC and tap Trust on your iPhone if asked. Step 2. Launch the Photos app from the Start menu and tap Import from a USB device. Import settings. Set up the flash drive as the destination. Hit Done. Step 3. Unselect the videos you don't want to transfer. Hit the Import Selected button. Way 3. How to put videos on a flash drive with File Explorer on Windows. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the Windows computer using a USB cable and insert the USB flash drive. Step 2. Open this PC, locate your iPhone device, and enter the DSIM folder where all photos and videos are usually stored. Step 3. Find the video files you want to transfer, right-click, and select Copy. Step 4. Then, open the folder for your USB flash drive, right-click, and choose Paste to transfer the video files. Way 4. How to transfer movies from iPhone to USB via AirDrop on Mac. Step 1. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Long press the Wi-Fi network window at the top left corner to open more options. Enable AirDrop. Select Contacts Only or Everyone. Step 2. Open Finder on your Mac. Tap Go AirDrop. Check the Allow Me to be discovered by option. Pick Everyone or Contacts Only. Step 4. Once finished, open the Downloads folder on your Mac and find the videos sent from your iPhone. Step 5. Plug the USB drive into your Mac and open it. Copy the videos from the Downloads folder, and then paste them to the USB stick. Way 5. How to save videos from iPhone to USB via iCloud. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your name. Select iCloud Photos. Ensure the iCloud Photos option is enabled. Step 2. Connect the USB stick to your computer. Step 3. Open iCloud.com from a computer browser and log in with the same Apple ID you used to back up videos. Step 4. Tap the Photos tab. Check and select the videos you want to transfer. Hit the download icon. Set up the USB drive as the storage location. Way 6. How to transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick with iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone and the USB drive to the computer. Step 2. Launch iTunes if it doesn't open automatically. Step 3. Tap your iPhone in the iTunes window and choose Photos. Step 4. Tick off Sync Photos. Define a location next to the Copy Photos From, and check the Include Videos option. Step 5. Hit Apply below to sync them to the default iTunes location. Step 6. Copy and paste the videos from the default iTunes location to the USB drive. Part 2. How to transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick without computer. Step 1. Prepare an appropriate external USB adapter that supports the iPhone and USB drive. Step 2. Connect one end of the external USB adapter to the iPhone and another to the USB stick. Step 3. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Choose the targeted videos, and tap the Share button to share them to the Files app. Step 4. Open the Files app, choose the shared videos, and move them to the USB stick.